Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will solve the last exercise of the multiplication of polynomials. Yeah, the last one that have fractions. Okay, so I will answer a part of them. Okay, this is the part of the multiplication. What you have to do here, check. Let me do a little smaller. Okay, you need, again, you are multiplying, so you need to multiply first the coefficients. Yeah, in that case is plus times less is less. Okay, so this is a fraction here. You need to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator here. Okay, so in that cases is 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so again, the variables here, remember, you need to multiply the same variables with the same literal. So a cubed times a is equals to a raised to the 4th power. Yeah, and b squared times b squared, again you need to add the exponents here, so it's b raised to the 4th power. Okay, now less times less is plus. Okay, so again you have a fraction here, you need to multiply numerator by numerator, so it's 1 times 1, and denominator by denominator. Okay, so it's 4 times 2, it's equals to 8. Yeah, and again the variables here, it's a 8 squared times a, yeah, it's a 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 cubed. Okay, and b cubed times b squared, okay, b raised to 3 plus 2 the 5th power. Okay, so you now you have how the way to solve that kind of exercises. Yeah, you can finish the rest of the multiplication. Now we continue with the next topic. Okay, the next topic is the division, the algebraic division. Okay, so to perform the division of terms, you need to divide first the coefficients. Yeah, first the coefficients, and next you need to divide the variables. Yeah, the same with the same literal, so you need to subtract their exponents. Okay, this is a sample here. You need to divide first the coefficients, but if you check here, it's not exact division, so you only do that. Yeah, you only pass the division. Okay, now the variables, the same variables, x squared divided by x, you need to subtract the exponent. 2 less 1 is equals to x1. Okay, y divided by y, yeah, it's equals to 1, but we don't write 1 here. Okay, and the c passed in exactly in the same place. If the c was alone up, passed up in the same place. Okay, this is a correct result here, but sometimes you can express that in that way. Okay, so we will explain that. So exists one rule that you need to know and you need to apply. In some cases it's very useful. Yeah, if you have that, you have a raised to the minus power, yeah, you can pass to down dividing, okay, that variable or that expression to a positive power. Yeah, so for example, in the sample that we saw here, this is a correct result, but you can move that variable up, yeah, but you need to change the sign of their power. Okay, so this is the reason that you need to change that, only if the exercise requires that. Okay, but now we will explain why when you are divide the variables you need to rest or subtract. Why? Okay, we have here two samples. If you apply the rule for that expressions, this is the result. You are dividing here, the coefficients are 1 divided by 1, it's 1, okay, but you don't write. Okay, now the variables is the same variable, you need to rest, yeah, the exponent. So the result here is x squared. Okay, if you apply here again the rule, change a little, because when you rest that, you got x rise up to minus 2 power or less square power. Why happened that? Look that. If you check here, this is equals to, and that is equals to, okay, and now this is equals to that, okay, and again here, and what happened here? Yeah, if you remember the rule is like that, 1 divided by x squared. Okay, okay, why? When you are in that situation, you eliminate that terms, but we use the wrong word, eliminate. Yeah, in that case we understand that because it's x squared. Yeah, but what happened here? Yeah, where you get that one? The thing is that you are using the wrong word. It's not eliminate. Yeah, why? If you have x divided by x, yeah, you have that is equals to 1. Equals to 1. It's like, I don't know, 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1. 10 divided by 10 is equals to 1. X divided by x is equals to 1. So the result of every elimination, that is the wrong word, it's equals to 1. You have 1 times 1 times 1 times x times x. Yeah, you don't write that, it's only 1. Yeah, but in that case again it's 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So this is the reason that appears that 1. And if you remember the rule, you can up that term. Yeah, you can up that term. But what happens when you do that? Yeah, you need to change the sign of the exponent. Yeah, so it's the reason that you have here the result of x rise up minus 2. Yeah, remember it comes from x cubed, yeah, divided by x rise of the 5th power. Remember, you need to rest. 3 less 5 is equals to minus 2. This is the reason. Okay, now so you can solve the divisions, do the 39 until 43. Okay guys, I will wait for your homework.